Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome once again. Today we'll create graph paper or grid paper in Word. There are different options like 5 into 5 or 6 into 6 kinds of graph paper in which each box is of 1 inches in size, and then we can use different strategies to make it spread to whole page. At the end I'll show you how can we use one copy to create more pages like 100 or 1000 pages even. So before moving forward, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. First of all, I'll go to insert and select table. We'll select same number of rows and same number of columns. For now I'm selecting 7 into 7. We'll go to layout and change the height to 1 inches and width to 1 inches as well, 1 inch. If you want to evenly spread it on our page, go to layout, change the margin. I have changed it to moderate. So these kinds of table are called 4 into 4, 7 into 7 kinds of table. Each box is of 1 inches in size. For second kind of style in which we will make sure our graph is spread on our whole page, let's zoom in and go to insert. Select the table again and select as many rows and columns as you can. Select the table and go to layout. First of all, we will set the margin. So go to layout and change margin to narrow. Now go to design layout and change the width and height. We can use any number of height like zero point 0.1 inches even. For now I am using 0.4 inches, and now we will select the table and insert below to make sure it is spread downward. So you see it is spreading downward. Keep selecting, keep clicking insert below, and then we will click insert right to spread it right to right side of the page. In order to delete the page table on second page, select the boxes and press Ctrl X. Now go to design and select modify table style. We'll go to automatic and change the color of table. I want to use light color, so let's select sky blue here. I see these two lights, so let's use black color so that it is clear to you. I have pressed Ctrl Z to undo. So we can copy it by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So if you want to use this, you can do it. Otherwise, go to file and create a PDF. Now we will export it and create PDF. Select the file name and publish it. Then go to a website which is imtoolbox.com. I will give link in the description. You will see there are different options. We will select the PDF duplicator to duplicate our PDF that we have just created. And now you see, now we will drag our document on this website. You see it is uploaded. We can create minimum 2 copies and maximum 1000 by dragging this little circle on this line. For now I am creating 50 copies. Select merge and duplicate. It will take few seconds in processing, and then you will see this page. Save your file name and let's open it in Reader. So you see it is of 100 pages document. So I hope you like this video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.